Parasight System Animal Health Technology introduces instant digital parasitology for today's veterinarian. Parasight System provides you an easy-to-use interface, compact footprint, and validated science to perform push-button fecals for horses, cattle, sheep, goats, and soon dogs and cats. Let's take a closer look at how this technology improves the way you provide animal health care with the push of a button. Here you see the complete setup needed to perform an equine fecal count in less than 5 minutes. Using a fresh equine sample, fill the sample collector tool. With water filled to the line, add the sample. Mix the sample thoroughly. Remove the plunger cap. Replace with the filter cap. Agitate the bottle and dispense a pre-measured amount into the lid. The sample will be processed on an egg chamber. The color-coded frame allows users to easily determine if they have the correct filter for their sample. After placing the filter on the reagent dispensing unit, pour the sample onto the filter. On the reagent dispensing unit, select the horse and then select Run Test. When the process is complete, remove the egg chamber and insert it into the imaging unit. You are now ready for analysis. From the Parasight System app, enter the client information and tap Analyze. The sample will be imaged, analyzed, sent to the Parasight portal, and presented to the user for review and to select a treatment. Once the treatment is selected, the result is emailed to the client. Another feature of Parasight System is the Parasight Portal. The portal is designed to provide you quick access to past test results. Here you can email and review past tests. The secure portal also helps you manage data when developing parasite management strategies for clients. To more easily identify issues and develop your ongoing strategy, the portal allows you to view and sort data by client, date, parasite count, treatment protocol, and other key factors. We hope you enjoyed learning more about Parasight System. Let's talk about getting Parasight System into your clinic.